Hello and welcome, it's Gillykube and I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia, coming to you with another pour today. I'm here every day, putting a video pretty much every day, trying to do different things. Sometimes I just love doing the things that you love doing, you repeat obviously, because in this abstract art, nothing ever turns out the same. I've gone over a pre-used canvas that I wasn't particularly happy with. I've just put some of the white base coat on there, and I've decided today I'm going to do a flip cup pours. I haven't done them for quite a while, so I might do maybe 3 or 4, maybe 3. Let's go 4 cups, and I'm going to flip. And I might do some of the Aussie slides through them. I will see how we go. So I will start with these cups, and I'll go with what I have here. So I'll start off with some white, because I've got this container full of white, and it's the cup is one of those cardboard wax cups, and it will not last the day if I leave the paint in it. It's gone all floppy, just like me, gone all floppy. Anyway, okay, I might put a bright colour on the bottom, so I might go the red. So this is cool red, and it has some of the iridescent medium in it to make it sparkle. Used up the last of that. Yeah, I've been having a big clean out in my studio, so trying to rearrange it to fit more things in, to be more workable, and I just can't find anything now I've cleared up. So you leave it chaos and you know where it all is. This is the bright yellow. These are the global impasto paints mixed with the pouring medium. The recipe for the pouring medium and how I do it is in the description box below this video. And I am going to put some orange in there, so it's all citrus at the moment. Strawberries, lemon and orange. Of course the white on the bottom. And I have put some of the iridescent medium in all of these paints, which just gives it the sparkle in the paint if it dries really sparkly. Might go I'll go a bit of my berry delicious, so keeping it in with the fruity tooty theme, the berry delicious. I should just about use all the colours that I've got mixed up here today, which really need to be used up. They've been sitting there a week, but I have had them covered up with a damp cloth. That's what I usually do. I don't put them in separate containers unless I'm making up paints to do something different. But anyway, I will put some of the gold in there. Haven't done flip cups, the basic old flip cup, back to basics flip cups. You can still make lots of interesting effects with the flip cups for sure. Got some of the creamy sort of, I think it said skin tone, but certainly not my skin tone. Or flesh, I think it was called, I'm not sure. Just using up the leftover colours, so it's not really thinking about if these are going to turn out well. I'm just a wing and a prayer. Let's hope they do. A wing and a prayer. Yeah, my husband and I, he allowed me to convert a car garage into a studio. So it was a double car garage into a studio, and of course it's and now I'm, you know, I've done so much and you collect so much stuff, and it's getting that I'm running out of room in here too. So I went into got a side room on the side of the garage, which was a little, you know, guy's workshop. Well, I've extended into that too. Oh my goodness, see what's happening with this paint here? I put the white over the top of the old painting and it's already started to crack. Not a good sign. Holy dooly. It's already, I'll show you. I just poured the paint over it and it's already started to crack. So that's interesting. I'm just going to do it. Done it now. So flip, flop. Oh, look at those. Oh my goodness. I have to take a photo of those cells there. Just flip in and it has come into the most amazing cells. Let me quickly take a photo of that. I will add the photo of the close-up of those cells. It's pretty unbelievable. It's really lovely. Ooh. Maybe I'll go down here with this one and take it up there. Very fruity tooty. Wow, it's bright. It's bright, 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 bright. Bit worried about this cracking. Maybe this paint that's going over it's gonna fill it all in. So I will just go from side to side. I think before I start that, I would like to do a lip through it. So is to flip and lip. I think it was Karen from Karen Durnish that did this flip and lip a long time ago. Not that, you know, I'm sure somebody else has done it before, as everybody keeps telling everybody. It's all been done before. But that's a flip and lip. I know that Karen called it that. So it's just flipping it and lipping the paint through it. Let's keep it on this side. Well, there's plenty of paint on there. I didn't really think there'd be too much, you know, with just 4 flip cups, because this is a 40 by 50 centimetre canvas. Oh, I am losing a bit of that. I wish I'd kept a lot more of that Berry Delicious. Woo! Try and re-center it all. See if I can get some nice effects in there, not lose everything. Just might be out the frame while I'm tilting it, guys. Sorry about that. It's got so much paint on there. Now I've got a lot here that's just fairly plain, but that's probably okay because hopefully something will come up underneath there when I put the heat torch on it. Wow, that is very citrusy. Citrusy, is that a word? Yes, citrusy. Got a little bit there that I'm pouring over my very corners. Actually, there's a bit of citrus in the bottom of a bit of that berry delicious, so I might take that through there. Got a bit more of that. Let's give this a go. Wow, haven't done one of these for a while. Looks like something geographic. I'd really like to do is just see if I can get some Aussie slides through there. Let me see what I have. A little thin card, maybe. I'm just going to cut a little bit. This is the soft plastic file divider. I'm going to just cut some thin strips. I'm going to see if I can do some Aussie slides to create some movement and interest, and it kind of does create like a 3D look sometimes. Let's see how it goes. Oh, that was not good. Oh, okay. Try a thicker one. I'm just going to go for it. This is just, it was some black paint that I've had mixed up for 6 months. It was in a container that I found. I just put a bit of floetrol in it. I didn't know what it was. I just put a bit of floetrol in it, so there you go. It's definitely not Amsterdam paint because I didn't have any back then. So it's still producing these amazing cells. And a kind of, yeah, it's kind of looking like a Medusa look here, but it kind of helps you create like this 3D look, like the flip cups are behind all of this slide effects, but in the slide effects, the berry delicious and the oranges and yellows are all popping up in it. It's quite remarkable. It definitely looks 3D to me. Remember, it's your art, your way. If you're happy with it, wow, okay. Loving it. I do love these randoms. Yeah, I was approached by somebody through Instagram with one of these type of pours, wanting to buy the digital image from me for a record label. So that was interesting. So we're not yeah, we're not sure how that's going, but yeah, that if it all comes off, I'll let you know. They were buying, yeah, this kind of 3D. They want to buy the actual digital, what do you call it? The high definition, and the rights to the actual photo for their label. So there you go. Sometimes opportunities open up to you in the ways you just wouldn't believe. Sometimes. I don't know how famous they are because it's a not the artist themselves that's looking for it. It's a label. I don't know. I don't know all these things. I don't know about people that do this or whatever. But anyway, we'll see. We will see. So I'm loving that. It's something different than I normally do. It is, yeah, wow. I love it. I love it. Let me know what you guys think. Again, it's just giving different options, isn't it? It's yeah, something different to wait on for the photos. And of course, I will be back tomorrow. So bye for now, you guys.